Hello guys, so this is our room. It's an ocean view, but it looks like it's gonna be an obstructed ocean view, but that's fine. All we need is just a place to rest, and we're gonna be out most of the time anyway. So I'm just showing you our room. This is our king size bed. And you have this nice painting here, and this is the window, obstructed window. You have the light boat there, but it's okay, we don't mind as long as you can see something out there. And then you have all the shelves here. I think this is the safe. Yeah, the small safe if you want to put your valuables there. You have the TV there, and then few drawers. More painting here, and this is our water. We ordered some water and it's here already. So this is our bathroom, typical bathroom. There's the shower. There's the shower. Typical. It's an old ship that's renovated, but still looks nice. So that's a short tour of our ocean view cabin on board the Pride of America.